Hey guys, so every week I try to show you movements from Original Strength, which are hopefully helpful in showing you where you can move or how your body should be able to move. And if you don't know Original Strength, all we do is we teach people how to move better, or we try to help people discover how their bodies are designed to move so that they can move better, so that they can live their lives better. Anyway, every 2 weeks, I'm hoping that I give you useful information that helps you discover how your body's designed to move, or hopefully inspires you on how or different ways that you can move. And I just wanted to let you know, and this is weird, but we actually get to teach Original Strength all over the world. And I know it's crazy. I don't even believe it either half the time. But literally, we travel all over the world to show people how to move the way they were designed to move. And so basically, instead of 2 to 4 minutes of stuff every week, we can try to condense all that information into about an 8-hour day, from breathing all the way to crawling, to show people how their bodies are designed to move so that they can move better and live their lives better. So if you didn't know that, I just wanted to share that with you because we're everywhere. So if you want more information and you want more information than what you're getting out of these videos, look us up for a workshop. As a matter of fact, I'll be in Arizona next month, depending on when you're watching this. I'll be in France and Italy in November. We go to Australia, we go to Japan, we go to Singapore, we go to North Carolina. That's where I'm from. Anyway, we're everywhere. So if you want more information about how your body's designed to move, or you just want to learn how to move better, or you want to take all these videos and try to put them all in one comprehensive spot so you can say, hey, where do I actually need to start? Check us out, come to our workshops. All right? I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time. Hey, don't go just yet. If you care, could you give us a share? We're trying to grow our reach and expand our network. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.